was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee Waltz. When my old friends I happened to see, I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friends stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee Waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful